Good morning. How are you today? Nice to see you. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Take care. How's everything going? It's good to be back. Let's get started. What's on the agenda today? I'll check my emails first. I have a meeting at 10. I need to finish this report. Let me grab a coffee first. I'll be at my desk. I'm working on the presentation. Can we talk later? I'll be available after lunch. Can you help me with this? Could you explain that again? I don't understand this part. What does this word mean? How do I do this? Is this correct? Can you show me how it works? I'm not sure what to do. Could you repeat that, please? What should I do next? Please send this to the team. Could you file these documents? Don't forget the deadline is tomorrow. Print 5 copies of this, please. Let me know when it's done. It needs to be finished today. I'll take care of it. I've already done it. I'm on it. I'll send it right away. Let's start the meeting. I have a question. Can I add something? That's a great idea. I agree with you. I see your point. I don't agree with that. Let's keep it short. We need to make a decision. Let's take a quick break. I'll send you an email. Please check your inbox. I'll get back to you soon. Attached is the file. Thank you for your email. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know if you need anything. Please reply by tomorrow. I've copied you in the email. Feel free to contact me. Can I leave early today? May I use the printer? Is it okay if I work from home? You can use my desk. That's fine with me. Go ahead. No problem. Sure, that's okay. Sorry, not right now. Let me check with my manager. I'm almost finished. I need more time. The deadline is Friday. I'll have it done by then. I'm working on it now. It's taking longer than I expected. Let's finish it today. This task is high priority. We need to speed up. I'm ready for the next task. Would you like me to help you with that? Maybe we can try a different approach? Why don't we ask the manager first? I think we should double-check this. How about we take a short break? Let's go over it together. Do you want some help? Can I help you? Let me know. Let's try. We're having some issues with the system. I think there's a problem with this file. Something isn't working correctly here. Let's find a way to fix this. We need to solve this quickly. The internet is not working. There's a small issue. This doesn't work. It's broken. And not working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.